Maayong hapon sa tanan, mga igsoon ko diya ni Kristo. Kuya Nico Nasadni. Guys, everyone, mag-share lagamay si Kuya Nico for this day, this afternoon. Blessed and wonderful afternoon that we have. So may share ni Kuya Nico, mag-share lang ko gamay about sa I would say kalisod sa atong kinabuhi karon. As we all know, the human life, as long as buhi ka, dili malikayan nga nagid tay kalisod problema aning kinabuhi og kalibutana. Sa theology or philosophy tinatawag ni siya nga in the context of Catholic faith, the problem of evil, no? Kasamaan, kalisod, suffering din sa kalibutan. If there is a loving, merciful, all good God, how come struggle man gyud tanan tay kalisod na tay mga sufferings? Nga He's the one who created everything in the world, everything in creation. No? The good thing about this is that the Catholic philosophers, saints, and theologians argue that evil or kasamaan sa kalibutan or sa atong kinabuhi is actually a deprivation of good. It's an absent of a good that should be present. Sa example na, physically, dapat ang tao kumpleto sa body parts. Kung wala kay kamot, wala kay tiil, that is an absent of a good that should be present. No? So in moral field, sa morality, it can be explained like nga na may magbakak, na may magsakit. So sickness is not existing by itself. It's an absent of due good, of a good that should be present, no? Sickness is an absent of health. Lying or ang pagbinakak is an absent of honesty, nga magistorya kag tinuod. Therefore, unsa may ma-reflect nato ani, reflection in the Catholic tradition that evil or suffering in the world is not directly willed by God. No? As we all know, there are good angels, bad angels as well. There are demons and devils. They are ugly. Ugly man sila because it's an absent of beauty. No, they did not obey or follow the Lord. Na gani sila non serviam. No, I will not serve the Lord. So unsa pa man, usually they are dark. Itom, it's an absent of goodness, absent of color. Munang evil, suffering is an absent of due good. So for me, it's a good thing for us to reflect for today's thought or reflection that it's always our choice, no, to do good and avoid evil. And I understand, I hope every one of us understand, it's not easy to make that decision. However, let's pray to the Lord, hold on to the Lord, cling to the Lord. He will be the one to strengthen us. As He mentioned that with man, anything is impossible, but with God, anything is possible. Thank you so much, everyone, and God bless.